Alright, so basically, I'm gonna be playing this game. It's alright. So it's on crazygames.com and it's like actually fun. Hold up, I have to kill the 30 people. 30 different people. But no, you jump high. I also just upgraded my weapon. Ooh. No. No. Dang. Me personally, I would never take that. Yeah. Oh, hold on, let me... Wait! Oh, God. Alright, so I just... What is happening? What? Okay, there. So... No. Oh! Ah, dang. Yes, sir! Alright, so I think these are just all of them, all the rest of them. Because, like... I think... Okay. Okay, hold up. Yes, sir. Alright, hold up. I'm gonna just get all these coins real fast. This is the only thing I hate about Crazy Games is that your thing, like your camera, is like weird. Like you see how it just like teleports your camera to a different spot. It's weird. I kind of hate it. Is that all the coins? Am I missing any coins? Yes, I am. I think that should be all of them. Cause where? Finish. Oh. Oh, I should have slid into the finish line thing. Ah, dang it. That was dumb. Anyway. There's always an ad. Always. Always an ad. Yup. It's always for the Subaru. I always see the Subaru ad. Cristiano Ronaldo. Toilet Man. Bro, someone come get their, like, goofy, riggedy raw dad. Like, chill. Oh, weave. Oh, should I? Ooh. Hey. No, 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 no. Yes, sir. Bro, who just hit me? I know it was not you. Hold up. I'm gonna hit a 360. I'm gonna try. Hold up. Oh, wait. Oh, that scared me. Soup. Oh, what? Bro, what is happening? Yes! Who's there? I know you is not talking. I know you ain't talking. What's your chromosome? Alright, where's my toilet homie at? Hold up. Oh my god. Finally. So... Nah, but like, whenever you jump, you actually like knee slide. Like, see? Oh, wait, hold on. I'm pretty sure you do. Never mind. Thought you did. Oh, and the only reason I haven't been posting any Oculus videos is because I can't get my Oculus to work. It like stopped working or something. I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out. Ah! Oh god. That. Where's he at? Okay, are you dead? Yes, you're dead. Oh my god. Where are you? I swear I just heard him. You there? Oh my. Bro, where is he? Bro. I got one person to kill left. I can't find him. I'm just gonna stand out in the open. And just wait for him. You know what, that's taking too long.
Okay.
Yeah?
Everything okay? Who are you
Alright.
talking to?
Nobody.
Nobody.
Yeah.
Who you been talking
Myself. There you are.
to? What is this game?
I really don't know.
Yeah, I got it, boy. What?